Hello and welcome to Allot 360 Analysts and Experts. I'm Michael Schachter and I'm here today to discuss regulatory compliance with Arthur Zawalkowski, AVP Product Management at Allot. Hello, Arthur.
Hello, Michael.
Arthur, the first question I'd like to ask concerning regulatory compliance, besides GDPR-type privacy issues, what regulatory compliance requirements do CSPs actually face?
In most cases, the requirements relate to illegal content, like child porn websites or websites propagating violence or hate, or all kind of illegal organization websites. In some cases, some applications might be illegal because they are used for drug dealership or terrorist activities, etc.
So there seems to be a lot of bad content out there, but how do the Allot solutions actually help the service providers meet the requirements to block the access to these services?
So we need to talk about two parts of the solution. First, technology, and second, the deployment, the ability to deploy our solution in carrier network. From technology perspective, Allot provides full visibility into internet traffic with analysis of applications and providing service providers with control over the applications. We identify illegal content, we do URL categorization, URL blocking, etc., etc. So this is about technology. From the deployment perspective, the biggest advantage of Allot is its 20 years experience in carrier networks. We have a very scalable, easy deployable products which are working today in more than 500 carrier networks, including tier 1 carriers.
You described the ability to sort of see and control the traffic. And there seems to be growing sensitivity around the world to, let's say, socially disruptive activity that takes place on the internet. Can the Allot solution actually pinpoint specific applications that may be abusing social activity or in certain regions in a country or among certain groups of users and help the service providers meet their regulatory requirements by controlling that kind of activity?
Yes, Allot solution integrates with all infrastructure of service provider, and we know everything about traffic, including subscribers, locations, obviously time of day, bandwidth, etc. And we allow service providers to implement very granular control, which includes applications under certain conditions. For example, a region, time of day, group of users, or globally blocking this traffic for all users.
In addition to this ability that you described for blocking or filtering specific kinds of content or abused applications, there's also this topic of lawful interception. Can the Allot solution help the service provider implement lawful interception when a government might require that kind of assistance?
First of all, I would like to outline the fact that Allot does not provide lawful interception solution. But using our generic products, service provider can make a usage of the lawful interception solution more efficient. They can steer only relevant traffic to these products, instead of inspecting all existing traffic on the network. They can use Allot to identify suspicious traffic and further investigate it using these special products.
Arthur, does the Allot regulatory compliance solution involve customized features to meet these requirements?
No. We use our generic product and just applying it to the regulatory compliance use case. And the biggest advantage of our solution is that by using it for regulatory compliance, at the same time, service provider can get much more functionality. They can achieve full visibility on the traffic. They can use it for better monetization, for planning of their network, for providing additional security or visibility services which they can upsell to their mobile or fixed subscribers.
So what you're saying is that the standard Allot Service Gateway with its full range of features also helps service providers meet regulatory compliance requirements while doing all the other things that the product is capable of doing.
This is absolutely correct.
Thank you, Arthur. That brings this session to a close. I look forward to seeing you all on the next Allot 360.